Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today guys, I've got for you a Revolution haul. So yes, today's video I have picked myself up some essentials from Revolution. I think I spent about £30. So yeah, I haven't opened it yet, so let's go through it guys and I'll show you what I've got. Okay, so inside they tell you are the Revolution. My products are wrapped in this weird snakeskin stuff, and then they also give you a little leaflet about some of the newer products, kind of a thing. They're doing Bratz at the moment. Bratz, I think I was got older when Bratz became bigger. I was more of a Barbie girl myself. You can get a free gift with your next order if you enter the code TREATME. I'm sure that everybody can use that. And something about Planet Revolution. Okay, so the very first thing that I got, and the main reason I actually put in an order, I wanted some of the Concealer Define Foundation. I needed a darker shade. I'm currently using F5. F6, I believe, is actually lighter than F5, so I thought I would try F7. So this wasn't actually an offer. I do tend to like to pick up their foundations when it's an offer, but unfortunately it was full price. I checked around everywhere. It was full price everywhere, so I got it from Revolution. £9.99. It usually lasts me around 2 months. You know I love this. I won't go on too much, you know, I just find there's foundation that lasts, it does really well. And like I said, I just needed a darker shade. And to complement that then, I got the Conceal and Define Super Size Concealer. I got this one in the shade C7 to complement the foundation. This was an offer, it was actually in the sales section of the website. And instead of being £7, it was £4.20. This is great because it's 3 times the original kind of formula, which is £4. So for 20p more, I got 3 times the amount. So yeah, it's always worth checking out the little offers and sales that they've got on. And because I love the concealer so much, I picked up 2, except I got this one in C5 to match my lighter kind of shade foundation, the one I'm wearing today. And this was also £4.20, so I thought while it was on that offer, might as well get it because I do love this foundation, this concealer. I love the foundation as well, but the concealer is amazing. It was a concealer I tried before the foundation and loved it. So yeah, I got myself a couple of those. Okay, still talking makeup, I got a oil control fixing spray, the Matte Fix. I love this stuff. This again wasn't on offer unfortunately, but it's only £5.99. I have been using the Urban Decay All Nighter recently. Chris bought me for Christmas. I've tried it before. I'm going to be honest, I prefer this. I genuinely think this makes my makeup last longer and it costs a lot less. Now, I like the Urban Decay All Nighter, don't get me wrong, it still does my makeup really well, but I just find, honestly, this might not be even just as good. This might actually be better. I know different things work differently for different people, but for me, I love this stuff. And £5.99. Doesn't matter if it's not on offer at that price, does it? Okay, then I just got a couple of skincare items, so I'll show you what I picked up. Firstly, I picked up this purifying cleansing paste with vitamin E and aloe vera powder. I've used this before and I really, really like it. And again, this was in the sales section of the website. Should have been £8 down to £3.20, which is an absolute steal if you ask me. So yes, I have used this before. I think this might be my 3rd tube of it, possibly 4th, but I just think it does a really good job of cleansing the face and it actually smells amazing. It smells so good. It lasts, it depends how much you put on. I probably put on too much, but it lasts me a good amount of time and I just really liked it. And when I saw it was just £3.20 instead of that £8 mark, I thought I'm going to get myself another one of them. Probably not in the market for a cleanser, probably got quite a lot of those, but it's always nice to have a little stash. Okay, and the last item on the haul, I actually bought this because I had just run out of my bottle of salicylic serum from Revolution Skincare and I needed another. I've since found that I've got a stash of the super size salicylic serum, but I bought this one anyway and it is a bit different. But again, I saw this on the sale. This should have been £8 again and was down to just £3.20, so another bargain. And it is their Willow Bark Extract. It's a gentle blemish serum to help prevent blemishes. It's got naturally occurring salicylic acid and tea tree in it. So it sounded really good. I thought I would try that one instead of the salicylic. I can probably use them in conjunction with one another. Obviously, because of masks and things at the minute, breakouts is a thing, especially around here. Masks might be coming to an end, I guess, but I might still be wearing mine. Yeah, so this I just thought was a really good one. I can't say an awful lot about it because I don't really think I've seen anybody talking about it and I haven't tried it myself. but it's got some nice ingredients in there, you know, willow bark, salicylic, tea tree, so it should be really good. I'll let you know how I think of it. Don't think that phrasing was very good. Okay, guys, so that was actually everything I picked up. It was mostly just to top up on some faves, and I got a few bargains, obviously, as always. Like I said, it's always worth checking the website. They've always got fantastic offers on. So even if like these aren't on at the minute, they've always got recurring ones coming around. They've got money off certain things, buy one, get this, blah, blah, blah. They do free gifts quite often as well. So yeah, it's always worth checking their website. And you know me, I love Revolution. I just find it's great value and just great products, generally really good. There are very few things I've tried from them that I've not liked. So there you go. Anyway, guys, drop me a comment and let me know what you think of these things. Do you want to see me do any more about these things? I know I probably talked enough about the foundation and the setting spray and the concealer very often, but you know, you might want a little refresher about makeup or something. I don't know. Just let me know. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you've got any of these things. What's your favourite product Revolution does? What should I be picking up on my next Revolution haul? Drop me a comment, let me know that. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and to give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel because I've got plenty of Revolution stuff on here and various different unboxings, bits and bobs. Take a look at my channel, you'll get the idea. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.